best friends and cousins too. Color pencils, paper and glue. It's crafty fun time creating with you. Sunshine, fun time, bright lights, creative vibe. Sunshine, fun time, bright lights, creative vibe.
Hey Crafty Crafters! Welcome back to Crafty Fun with Katie and
Lily!
Today we're going to be making, first, guys, if you haven't seen the last video where we took delicious Girl Scout cookies and made them to some awesome recipes, you should go check that out. Last time, we made a cheesecake cup. It was delicious, right Lily?
Yeah.
It was so good.
And instead of a cheesecake cup, we're going to be doing a Thin Mint Brownies. The ingredients that we'll need for that: brownie mix, baby Crocker.
Yep.
We'll also need some vegetable oil.
And then we need 2 eggs.
And we'll need some water.
Yeah.
I'm going to be working on putting the batter inside of here, and Lily's going to be working on crushing them.
Yeah. I'm gonna take them out and open the bag and then get the air out and then put them in there and then I'm gonna
Smash the cookies.
Don't forget to close it when you're done. You don't want it going everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, let's get into it.
Okay.
I'm going to take some 1/4 cup of water and add that.
Yep. And then I'm gonna put my Thin Mint cookies in there.
This is a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. It looks kind of cool how the water and the vegetable oil don't mix. Now I'm going to take the batter.
Now I'm gonna smash the cookies. 3, 2, 1. Katie.
Oh, thank you. You did a great job crushing them up.
Thanks. Ooh, that's gonna be like yummy.
Can't wait to eat this. So, we're about to put the brownie mix inside of the oven. Smell it. It smells so minty.
Yeah, I can't wait to taste the brownie.
Now, this is a non-grease pan, so we didn't grease it or put any parchment paper on it.
Okay.
If it's not a non-stick pan, you want to put some grease and parchment paper on it. Right, Lily?
Yeah, right.
You want to put it inside the oven for 22 minutes on 350 degrees. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ow, hurt.
Are you okay, Katie?
Thank you for asking. Whack. So, Crafty Crafters, if you haven't seen the last video, you should watch them. They're crazy awesome. We made a cheesecake cup with the Trefoils and lemon ups. You guys should really check it out. Today we're going to be making a Tagalong shake.
Yeah.
Are you excited to make a Tagalong milkshake?
Yeah!
And maybe Thin Mint ones too. Now, we're just using a Thin Mint and a Tagalong, but there is all these cookies. You can make it with anyone you want, or all of them. You can try them out. There's so many cookies. Also, please support our treat. We'll let you know when our cookies are back in season. Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Fun with Katie and
Lily!
Now, Crafty Crafters, it's time to get into the milkshake biz.
Yes.
We're going to be making a Tagalong milkshake. Hey Lily, what you eating there?
I'm eating lemon cookies.
Oh, are those the lemon ups? Ooh, those are really, I heard that those are really good. What does it say on it?
It says I am bold.
Bold?
Yeah.
Wow. What does the other one say?
It says I am creative.
Oh, that is very true. You are bold and creative. Well, let's go ahead and start on making this.
Well, what are we going to do today, Katie?
Well, we're going to make a milkshake.
Cool.
First, I'm going to be adding the liquid, and I'm going to be adding a half a cup of milk. Would you like to help me, Lily?
Oh, sure.
You want to pour?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, it's a little bit small. There you go. All in there.
Okay, it's all done. Now what else are we going to do?
Now we're going to be using 1/4 box of Tagalongs.
Okay.
4 Tagalongs.
Yep, tag it on.
And next, we're going to be using 3 cups of ice cream. 3 whole cups.
That's so cool, Katie. Can't wait.
I had to move some stuff around, you know, tidy up a bit. Now I'm about to put 3 whole cups of ice cream. Ooh, the ice cream is nice and soft because we left it out a little bit.
Can I try the last scoop, Katie?
Yeah. One cup is about 2 scoops. So, yeah. I'll let the first scoop in. This is a lot of ice cream. Alrighty.
Hey, Katie.
Yeah?
I want to give you this one.
Oh, thank you, Lily.
You're welcome.
And that's it. Now it's time to blend it. Okay, we had some technical difficulties, but I finally got it on. Now it's time to hit the blend button. Okay, it's done.
Yay!
Taste tester, we're ready for you to taste this.
It's gonna be good.
I kind of like Oreos. Like how clumpiness goes together.
Are you ready for me? Ready.
Oh my gosh, it's really good, Caitlin. This is a cup that I made off of a Cricut at my Aunt Evelyn's house. You like it? It's really cute.
Yeah, I like the cheeks and the unicorn.
Thank you. And it's a color changing cup, so
Wow.
it turns pink.
Wow. So
Wow.
can I see after we finish this video?
Sure. It turns pink when it's cold. Hi guys, welcome back. We're back with the brownies.
And we're here with our grandfather.
Hi, Papa. He's gonna help. He's gonna be our taste tester.
And we're gonna be the taste tester too.
He's still got milkshake mustache.
No, I don't want to. Ah, you're ripping it. That's for you.
Okay, good.
And this one's from me. That one's for me.
How is it?
Tastes good. Tastes like brownies.
Do you taste the thin mints in it?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yes.
I need a spoon.
How is it, Caitlin?
I'm just like a brownie.
Yeah, tastes like brownies.
It tastes just like a brownie.
Oh,
Okay. That's like a regular brownie, but minty.
yep. Minty brownies.
Wait.
Did you like it, Lily?
Can you use a smaller brow? Use a smaller brow.
Is it minty?
No, it smells like nothing.
It's good.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
Hit the like and
Hit that
subscribe button.
notification bell.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.